हेलो। तो ये बात है 7 नवंबर 2023 जब डॉक्यूमेंट्री सेमेस्टर चल रहा था। मेरी ज्यूरी थी। अब ज्यूरी जिन जिनको नहीं पता, ज्यूरी होता है एक फाइनल एग्जाम जैसे डिजाइन कॉलेजेस में, जहाँ पे 3 लोग बैठ के आपका काम देखते हैं और आपको फीडबैक देते हैं। फाइनल एग्जाम्स नहीं होते डिजाइन कॉलेजेस में, इंस्टेड ज्यूरीज होती हैं, जहाँ पे ये होता है कि मैं आगरा गई थी अपनी डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म बनाने 2 लोगों पे जो ताजमहल के पास रहते हैं। सबमिशन क्राइटेरिया था 20 मिनट्स का। बहुत ज़्यादा एडिट करने के बाद मेरा फिल्म बना 22 मिनट्स का, बट अब सबमिशन क्राइटेरिया 20 मिनट्स का था। तो हमारे जो टीचर थे वो काफ़ी पर्टिकुलर थे इस चीज़ को लेके, तो उन्होंने काफ़ी सारे ईमेल्स भेजे मेरे को एक दिन पहले ज्यूरी के। बहुत सारे ईमेल्स भेजे। मेरा और एक और लड़की का, उसका 30 मिनट का था, मेरा 22 मिनट्स का था। प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि मैं पहली थी लाइन में, क्योंकि मेरा डबल ए है, रोल नंबर 1 होने की आदत है। ज्यूरी चलने लगी, सबसे फर्स्ट में ही थी। अचानक से 6 मिनट्स तक मेरी फिल्म प्ले हुई और उसके बाद रोक दी गई। वन ऑफ द ज्यूरी पैनल मेंबर्स ही सेड दैट द टीचर हु वाज वेरी पर्टिकुलर, he has sent an email that these 2 people, their films will not play in jury. So after 6 minutes my film was stopped, and to me, like, I had put my heart and soul into making this documentary film. Imagine going to Agra, staying there for 10 days and just making a documentary out of some people's lives whom I didn't know before. It was a challenging task, and I wanted genuine feedback from them, and to them it was like they were disciplining us for later, so that आगे के फेस्टिवल्स में भी जब हम फिल्म्स भेजें तो उतने ही उसमें रहे और रिजेक्ट ना हो जाए कभी टाइम ड्यूरेशन की वजह से. So I understand their perspective, but still all I wanted was genuine feedback so that I could edit it more based upon the feedback, and it was just 2 minutes more. And in a educational environment, it would have been nice if they would have seen my film and not stop it at 6 minutes. So that them stopping it and telling me that your and another person's film will not play, that really hit me, because I had worked super hard for that film and I wanted feedback. It hit me and I started crying. I started sobbing, tears coming down my eyes. I didn't want sympathy or anything. I wanted people to watch my film, and I was really excited for this jury because it was one of the last juries. So that happened, but still, since it was the head's order, they couldn't play the film and they couldn't give me feedback. They gave me feedback based upon the 6 minutes that they had seen, but that was too less. What I felt also was, as a filmmaker, they disrespected in some manner another filmmaker or film student who tried something and brought it to the table. And there were other people in my class whose films were like way under limit. Like, if the limit was 15 minutes, their film was 9 minutes, and their film they didn't say anything about. That kissa in my NID journey was the worst day in my life. I cried a lot that day. I cried a lot. The learning was abide by rules as far as possible, because some places people will not listen to you. Rules are rules. Follow na kare to fools. Later, all of my classmates also went with me to tell that teacher that her film needs to be played, and later it was played the next day in the end, and I got my feedback. But still, that trauma that I held on that day, in spite of doing all the work. Yeah, so that was my worst day at NID. Let me know what else you want to know about NID. I'll tell you my honest experience. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.